Hey, so it's Lane here, and he's going to be cooking with Coach.
Scrumptious Blueberry Muffins.
C&L Scrumptious Blueberry Muffins.
C&L Scrumptious. Main ingredients, these are our eggs. Here's our blueberries. Here's our cream cheese.
Sour cream.
And sour cream. Here's our oil, sugar, vanilla, baking powder, batter. This is our ingredients. It's going to go inside the muffin. Cream cheese, sugar, blueberries.
And then here is the topping that's going on the top of it.
Walnuts, flour, sugar, and butter. And just adding the sour cream and mix up. So it's just me for now. Coach is in the bathroom. We will mix my red and dry ingredients together, and then we're going to put the blueberries on. And then we're going to put in here, and then we're going to put a little bit cream cheese and toppings. You want to carefully fold the blueberries. There's a big ball of cream cheese on everyone.
Gonna fill it with more muffin mix on top of it.
I'm gonna finish putting the ingredients on for this last one. Make sure the oven's heated to 375.
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Season 20 minutes. Bye. But Lord, they're ready. It's heavy. It's red. And that means it's not done. If the toothpick is green, that means it is done. This one's done.
Good.
Lovely.
Blueberry muffins.
That's a side over.
Action.
Okay. Here.
Like
No, look at this. No. Oil goes in here.
And that's it.
No.
I got sand on my hand.
Lick it.
How do I get there? I'm terrified. I'm terrified. I'm here.